In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set date for a task in Todoist. We'll keep this really simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a task and give it a specific date, whether it's for today, tomorrow, or sometime in the future. First, open your Todoist app or the web version in your browser and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your projects or your task list. To begin creating a new task, look for the button or area labeled Add Task. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen on mobile, or near the top or bottom of your task list on desktop and web. Go ahead and click on Add Task. As soon as you do that, a small task entry field will open. Here, you can type in the name of your task. For example, you might write something like Finish Report, Call the Client, or Plan Weekend Trip. Take a second to make the task name clear and specific so you'll remember exactly what it means later. Now that you have entered the task name, the next important part is assigning a date to it. This is what makes Todoist so powerful for staying organized. In the task creation window, you'll see an option that says Set Date, or sometimes just shows a little calendar icon. Click on Set Date. Once you click that, a date picker or small calendar will appear. Here, you can choose when you want this task to be due. You can select today if it's urgent, tomorrow if you need a little more time, or you can jump ahead in the calendar to pick a specific day in the future. Many versions of Todoist also let you choose options like next week or a particular weekday, which can be really helpful for planning. Take a moment to pick the date that makes the most sense for you. Remember, you can always come back later and change the date if your schedule shifts, so don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. After you've selected the date, confirm your choice in the calendar view and then save the task by clicking the Add or Save button in the task window. Your new task will now appear in your list with the date you selected clearly shown. That's all there is to it. Click on Add Task, click on Set Date, choose the day that works for you, and save. With this simple habit, you'll keep your to-do list organized and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks.